Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will try to create an easy prom makeup look. Let's get started. First is, I will use this NYX Angel Veil Primer. This primer smoothens your pores, your skin. For the liquid foundation, I will use this Dream Satin Skin by Maybelline. This is a damp sponge, guys. So for the concealer, I will use this True Match by Loreal in W123. I will also use it as an eye primer. I will set the lid and the under eyes with this Rimmel Stay Matte in transparent. And for the rest of my face, I will set it with this Rimmel Stay Matte in Creamy Natural. Now, let's proceed to the eyeshadow. I will use first NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Yogurt. This is the color. I'll just put it directly on the lid. And then I will use this shade over here. It is just a shimmery rose gold color. It is a Nichido palette, by the way. And then I will just use this Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette. This shade over here. This is a pink peach color of product. I don't have this on my eyeshadow palettes. So, I just use it just for the outer V and for the crease. If you have any of these on your palettes or eyeshadow palettes, you can use you can use that. Use the patting motion for the outer V, and then I will blend the rest on the crease. This sets as our transition color. I will just use a clean blending brush to clean the harsh edges on the crease. I just try to blend the two colors, the crease and lid color. I'll also put this color. I will use that color in my bottom lashes. And then I will use a pencil brush to blend it. I will use it again. This color. Tear duct up to here. Then for the eyeliner, I will just use this Maybelline gel liner brown. I will use this BLK Cosmetics in Flush. I will use this contour, this as a contour, and this as a blush. For the highlight, I will use this LA Contour Kit in shade of Shimmer Highlighter. For the brows, I will use this Nichido in Hazelnut. I already curled my lashes, so I just put this Maybelline the False Lash Mascara. And now for the lips, I will use this Loreal in Spring Rosette. The Spring Rosette. Now the look's done. I will just spray this Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Guys, we're done. I'll just make an easy and simple prom makeup tutorial. I hope you like it and enjoy watching my video. The look is very simple and easy to make. You can make it, create it. It's just a basic eyeshadow, and the lips, I just use a simple color for the lips and for the blush. The products I've used in this tutorial in this video is mostly drugstore on affordable brands. You can easily find them anywhere at the malls, Watsons, or maybe on online shops. So you can combine them with, if you want, you can use them with brown eyeshadows or blues or just plain pink eyeshadow. If you like and find this video helpful, please like this video and comment. And if you have any comments or suggestions, or just comment in the comment section below. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again on my next videos. And thank you so much. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye!